Hi guys. Well, I want to show you guys what I usually eat throughout the day. So I'll start off with my overnight oats. I'm going to put a half a cup in my mason jar that I just love so much and I use for everything. I realize it's not that much, so I'll put another half of cup in there just so that I can get a full cup of oats. I'm actually just trying to skip it because I'm running out of oats. And so I'll just have to buy some more. But I usually use old-fashioned oats. And then I use the original unsweetened almond milk. So I'll put a cup of that in there. However much oats you put is the same amount of almond milk you put. So I have a cup. And I'll pour that in there. And at first it's going to look a little bit too loose. As you can see, it looks like it's a lot of almond milk in there versus the oats. But the oats will swell along the way. Okay, I'm going to add a half of banana. The banana I usually use for anything that I want to sweeten because it really has a great sweetness to it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to smash that in a bowl. And once I smash it in a bowl, I'll put it inside of the mason jar and mix it up real well with the oats. Okay, so I use apple pie spice to put in there. Gives it that apple pie taste. I actually use cinnamon as well, or I'll use apples to go with the apple spice. But we're going to keep it simple. We're going to stir that in there, mix it real well. Now I'm going to take some Greek yogurt. I get the vanilla Greek yogurt. You can get the original, no flavor, but I get the great value. So top that up, put it in the fridge for about 24 hours, maybe less. I took mine out the next day. I always top it with a little honey, stir it up. Good to go. Moving on to snack time. So usually I grab me a caramel rice cake, throw some peanut butter on it, or some almond butter with some bananas or strawberries. But today, I am going to use Biscoff cookie butter. So usually whatever I'm using, I'll grab maybe a teaspoon or maybe just a little bit more than a teaspoon, and I'll spread it on my rice cake. Good tasty snack. So usually pre-workout or post-workout, I'll make me a smoothie. I'll usually add a little bit of my protein in it, but this time I'm just going to use the ingredients shown. Let's get started. So before starting this video, I mixed my kale and my spinach together and I washed them and put them in a strainer. So I added those to the blender. And of course, I can't open a bag of fruits by myself. That's cute. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of the mixed fruit, which is just strawberries and bananas in this case. From there, I'll use a half of avocado. I'll peel it and put that in there. It may sound a little nasty, but it gives it just a great texture. And if you don't know, avocado really doesn't have a taste. It takes the taste of whatever you put it in. Look how pretty this avocado is. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of almond milk. And it's as always, I use original unsweetened. Put that in there. Oh, yep, there was a spill. And now we're gonna blend it all up. And here we have this nice, pretty green drink smoothie. Look at that texture, honey. Yes. I topped it off with some chia seeds, and there you have it.